Hey folks, this is Matthew with Riverponics. These are our growing flats. This video is to demonstrate how you can expand on your growing flats. Basically add a channel. Now if you do add a channel at 6 foot in length, you get the fittings, you get the growing lids, the float valve, air stone, and that'll be additional cost of $100. Okay, so with the setup like this, 2 channels 6 foot long, get your inline pump, air pump, reservoir, you're looking at like around $279 for this whole setup. Okay, and it comes with everything. Really easy setup. You have your reservoir with an air stone. Here's your air pump with the splitter. Splits off. One air stone in there. Splits off and goes to the other air stone. You have air stone in each grow channel. Okay? And you push these down, form them, whatever, you know. This is your float valve. That's being fed off your reservoir to a T, going to that float valve, to a T, to this float valve. And these float valves are adjustable to get the depth of water you're looking for each grow channel. Okay. And then down at the other end you have your push and pull inline pump. Pushes and pulls the water through your channel in a circular motion continuously. So it flows just like a river. So this is your push to a T, goes out there, pushes the water out. Same thing right here. Pushes the water. Okay. Now this one right here would be your pull. Pulls the water in to a T, back to your pump here, and pushes it back out. So it repeats that cycle. So this is definitely can be expanded upon, which makes it really nice. But this keeps the water real vibrant and healthy. It literally does flow like a river. So I can kind of show you here, demonstrate. This is a straw, see if it'll cooperate. Sometimes it likes to stick to the sides, but it travels pretty fast down the channel continuously. And it's pretty cool watching how water reacts to the straw and how the straw reacts to the water. You can see the dynamics of how the water circulates in the grow channel, you know. But it's very vibrant. That water actually flows pretty quick through here. So, put that straw in there. Now we're making this round. Yeah, pretty cool. Another straw coming up. Gonna round the corner here in a second. You can see how turbulent that can be in the swirls and how it mimics the river so much. Just pushes it right out. So yeah, it kind of gives you a general idea there. But yeah, really cool setup. I'll show you the channel lids too. And these are pre-cut. Okay, here you go. These are your lids. And this is your air gap. Okay, so this is where your container would sit on. And you'd have a net cup that protrudes down in there and wicks up the water into your grow container. But you can space this whatever size you need for your air gap to help your roots grow and expand and all that good stuff down into your grow channel. So this is a hybrid system, so you can use soil in here. In your containers, you can do soilless grows, you can do hydroponics. These These lids can be changed out for another lid that focuses on propagating. This is basically an all-in-one grow system, is what it is. So definitely check out our website, riverponics.com. Thank you for watching.